In this video we are going to add a router, and we will connect a router to the switch, and we will assign an IP address to the router, and then we will test if we can ping it from a computer and if it's connected properly. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Talhali. I am CCNA CCNP certified. Alright, so in this video I'm going to teach you using the Cisco packet tracer. We'll be adding a Cisco router, and we will connect the Cisco router with the Cisco switch, which is layer 2, and then we will test using the ping feature. So I'm gonna select the first basic Cisco router, and if you remembered about the cables, so router is layer 3 device and switch is layer 2 device. So I'm gonna connect this one, and I'm gonna use the last port to connect to the router. So I will be using fast Ethernet 0/1. Okay, so now you can see these both ends are red. Why? Because by default on Cisco routers all the ports are shut. Even you connect them using the cable, you still have to type the command to unshut the router port. So I'm gonna go to the router and the CLI. So as it's a first router, so it's gonna ask you continue with the configuration dialog, like it's gonna ask you if you want to assign IP address and stuff like that, but I'm gonna say no because I want to configure it as I want. So first of all, it's gonna be in this mode, which is the basic mode. So I'm gonna enter EN, which is enable, enter, and then the configuration terminal mode. So I'm gonna type conf and tab and T as in terminal. So you can just quickly type conf T interface fast Ethernet 0/1. So I'm gonna first assign an IP address. So the command is IP address, and then I'm gonna assign the IP address, the basic one, 1.1, and the subnet mask. And I will not assign any gateway address because this is going to be the gateway for the computers, right? So I'm gonna hit enter. Okay, so the IP address is assigned, and then the next command, no shut. So now you can see the link protocol interface change state to up, and if you see here, you can see this one is up, but for the switch it's running the STP process, and it's gonna take 40 seconds to complete that process, and then after that it will be turned on. And we assigned the IP address here 192.168.1.1, and on this PC let's check the IP address. So it says 1.4. so I'm gonna try pinging this router 192.168.1.1. Now you can see I can ping this router. Thank you so much for watching the video. In next video I will show you how to configure DHCP server on Cisco router.